you watch my brake booster video on this car, you saw I had a little bit of issue with the turbo blanket contacting this line on the master cylinder. Yeah, the turbo was insulated, but I still don't like anything touching the actual line because that's easier to transfer heat that way. You don't want your brake fluid to get real hot, so I got some of this thermal barrier. Many manufacturers use it. I'm going to test it out, but you can see now I do have an air gap in between the barrier. Stuff seems to be pretty solid. It's easy to work with. It's fairly thin. You can see on the back side it's got some type of fiberglass material. It's supposed to be good to 1800 degrees direct. Hoping not to be running this thing that hot, so we'll see how well it holds up. I've run something like this in the past on other cars and had good results, but this is just something kind of temporary until we update this turbo system. I want to do something better. That way, I never liked how the turbo blanket contacted that. You can kind of see here where it's just has an indent here from where that was. You can see I don't have much space to use. But we'll see how this works. I'm going to finish wrapping the underside of the manifold too, just block the heat from the AC compressor, and anything else I can. Just try to have a little bit of a better thermal management on this car. Just got back from the drive. Let's check the temperature. Too bad. It wasn't really hard in the car, just a quick drive, but that's pretty good for radiating heat.